my channel. I'm Ananya. If you're new here, please subscribe. So I'm back with another Meesho haul, and this time it had to be my favorite ethnic wear haul. I asked you in my previous Meesho haul if you would be interested in seeing an Indian wear haul, and so many of you said yes. I ordered a bunch of super affordable things from Meesho. Like, I found it at such good wholesale prices. Before I get into the haul, I want to let you know that Meesho is India's favorite app for buying pretty much anything and everything. It is trusted by over 1 crore users and has more than 50 lakh products to choose from, like men wear, women wear, accessories, jewelry. Like, there's so much to choose from, and you get it at the best wholesale prices ever. Also, I want to let you know that Meesho is having a huge sale on 12th of August. Like, there's a maha price drop. You can get up to 70% off, which is crazy. I'm so excited for this sale, and you guys should definitely download the app. You can get free delivery, cash on delivery, as well as easy returns. You guys can download the Meesho app using the link in the description, and I'm also going to leave the product codes in the description so that you can buy the exact same outfits. And the best thing is that you get ₹100 off or flat 30% on your first order using the link in the description. So definitely check it out, and let's get into the haul. Okay, first up, let's start with what I'm wearing right now. It's this super pretty navy blue dress or gown. Although it looks like I'm wearing a skirt and a kurta, but actually it's a gown. It's all attached from here. But it looks so good. It's in the rayon material, and I ordered a size L. Fits me perfectly. It has such beautiful detailing all around it, like the design on the kurta as well as these strings in the side. Even the lower part has this design which looks very pretty. I just love this. It's so easy breezy, perfect for summers. It's literally so comfortable. I can live in this. It's so easy to accessorize. You don't even need to wear a lot of things. I've just worn like these very small jhumkas with it, and yeah, it looks perfect. You can literally wear this on Rakhi. It's like so stylish and just perfect for any kind of occasion. And also, like, this set has so many color options. You can even get it in green and pink. It's almost till my ankles, and that's very trendy nowadays. And yeah, I love it. Okay, this is yet another favorite. Actually, सब कुछ ही मेरा favorite है यार. You get everything at such low prices, such good quality. Why will it not be my favorite? So this one's a very pretty white printed kurta. It has like all the detailing of golden. So there are some buttons, and the design is completely golden, which looks so good. तुम इस कुर्ते को literally एक dress या gown की तरह भी पहन सकते हो. But it also has white palazzo pants with it, which look perfect. This suit has a very elegant and modest look to it, and I simply paired it up with these jhumkas yet again because jhumkas are my favorite. And yeah, I'm just good to go to any function or event. You can easily dress it up, dress it down. This is something I would totally wear to college because in the words of my cousin, she literally said कि तुम college में कुछ भी पहन के जा सकते हो. So why not? And it literally looks so pretty. This was just for 450 rupees, and I ordered a size L. It looks so good on any day, event or function. ये suit set इतना मस्त लग रहा है. Like, पहले when it came, I thought I don't know if it will look good on someone of my age, but let me tell you, this suit is absolutely stunning. The quality is great. It's the rayon material only, if I'm not wrong. I actually chose all my suits of the rayon or cotton material only, ताकि I can wear it all year round, especially in summers as well. So the next outfit is this very pretty gown. It's actually for my cousin, but obviously it came, so I was like, चलो दिखा देती हूँ haul में. And also our sizes are quite similar, so I wore this and it looks very cool. Like, I love the whole sleeves detailing. Like, it's very flowy and nice. Even the gown, I ordered a size L. It was a little less than 600 rupees, which is perfect. This is a georgette material and very flowy, and you can just kind of twirl around in this. And yeah, it looks pretty cool, I guess. It has this golden detailing going on here. You can go with any kind of golden jewelry, golden heels, and yeah, you're ready for a party or function. It's very appropriate for a day as well as night event. वो चुभने वाला मटेरियल नहीं है या ऐसा मटेरियल नहीं है जिसमें गर्मी लगेगी इतनी ज्यादा. This was for I think 574 rupees, like definitely less than 600, and I think that's perfect. And that's the reason I love the Meesho app. Everything is at such low prices, and the quality is literally so good. In case you want to check it out, the link is in the description, and also you can get ₹100 off or flat 30% on your first order. Before I move on to the next outfits, I want to show you what accessories I got. I ordered this combo of 3 pairs of earrings. They are basically oxidized silver earrings and look so pretty. Let me show you. This is the first one. It's circular design and it's also quite trendy though. Next up are these I don't know, are these called jhumkas? I don't think they are. Like, these really big but super lightweight. Like, they're not heavy at all. They just look heavy. that's the design. And the third one is this. It's basically a miniature version of this one. This has like 2 layers and this is just a single one. There were different sets of 3 earrings you could choose from, and I really liked this one because I specifically wanted these earrings. Let me wear this one, it will look good with this outfit, and I'll show you the rest of the earrings with the other outfits. I've really been liking oxidized jewelry these days. Now that I have these new earrings, I'm definitely going to be wearing them a lot. So this is how the first one looks. It's very chic and looks kind of cool, right? I got 3 pairs of earrings for just 170 rupees. Like just 170 mein 3 oxidized earrings ke pair aa gaye yaar. What else would I want? So next up is this really pretty kurta set. So basically this is the kurta and these are the kind of pants, not really plazos, they are like green colored pants which obviously go perfect with this kurta because it is a set. The material is like so soft, very good for summers. It's very casual yet fun. This kurta is something you could accessorize and dress it up, dress it down and do whatever. There's also this little detailing in the front. There's a button which adds a little something to the outfit. But yeah, I just love how simple yet elegant this entire kurta set is. The whole purpose of buying this kurta set was I wanted something more casual and chill and not on the dressy side. This is literally just for 420 rupees. I just love it, and I ordered a size L, fits me perfectly. Okay, the next thing I have is this kurta. Actually, it was a set of 2 kurtas and I got 2 kurtas for 600 rupees, which is crazy. It's in the cotton material, such good quality, feels so soft on my skin, perfect for like any kind of weather. And yeah, like just look at it. It has this button detailing in the front as well as on the sleeves. There were a lot of color options to choose from, but I feel like black is something so versatile. It goes with absolutely everything. But you can pair this up with like white plazos, or even you could go for an all black look. You could wear this with jeans, any colored or printed plazo pants, anything. Right now I'm wearing it with these like white plazo pants and it looks perfect. Like I added these heavy earrings which are not heavy in weight, but they just look heavier because the outfit is very plain. So I had to balance it out with some like really pretty earrings. I could kind of, you know, roll the sleeves up a little more to look cooler, I guess. And yeah, that's an outfit in itself. Like this is so comfortable, and I feel like if you're a girl, you definitely need to have a black kurta. This is one of the best purchases I've made. If you're not sure what kind of Indian will look good on you, definitely go for a black kurta, get these oxidized earrings and you're just good to go. Itna mast lag raha hai. The length of the kurta is actually quite long. I am for sure buying another set of colors in this. This is how the mustard yellow one looks and equally good. By the way, I ordered a size L and again fits me perfectly. This is the back in case you're wondering. Okay, next up is this really pretty kurta set. So obviously this is not something I would wear like very often or just anywhere. It's of course a little on the fancier side, but I absolutely love it. I love the colors. It's basically this nude pinkish color and the kurta has this whole floral design going on and it looks so pretty. The colors are so vibrant and fun and I just love how the set looks. And the best thing is that this set actually has like garara pants. Like I would definitely want the kurta to be shorter because it's like very long. Garara ka design bhi dikh raha hai. So I'll just make the kurta short and it'll look much better then. Really good quality. I think it's cotton material only. I just pair it up with these earrings and yeah, this is the entire set. Super pretty. I love the dupatta as well. And I literally can't wait to wear this on some occasion because it will look so good. It basically has this gota patti work going on all around, like over here on the sleeves as well. It's on the dupatta also. And yeah, that's it for my ethnic wear haul. If you made it till here, comment college vibes. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to buy any of the products that I bought, I'll be putting the product codes in the description. You can check them out. And don't forget to download the Meesho app from the link in the description. You will be getting ₹100 off or flat 30% on your first order. And you can literally buy the top quality products at the lowest prices ever. So definitely check it out. If you made it till here, then don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel. Turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss out on new videos. Share this video with your friends, follow me on Instagram, and until next time, bye.